The world of work is changing. A new revolution is upon us, driven by relentless technological advancement. Robots and artificial intelligence are no longer futuristic fantasies. They are rapidly becoming a fixture in our workplaces. This revolution promises increased efficiency and productivity, but it also casts a shadow of uncertainty over millions of workers. The statistics paint a stark picture. A 2017 study by the McKinsey Global Institute estimated that up to 800 million jobs globally could be lost to automation by 2030. In the United States alone, 40% of the workforce, or 62 million jobs, are considered at risk. These figures represent a seismic shift in the employment landscape, one that will have profound implications for individuals, families, and the economy as a whole. The rise of the machines is not a new phenomenon. History is replete with examples of technological innovations that have disrupted labor markets. From the mechanization of agriculture to the assembly line in factories, each wave of automation has brought with it both progress and displacement. However, the current wave of automation, fueled by AI and robotics, is different in both its scale and scope. Unlike previous waves of automation, which primarily affected blue-collar jobs, this new wave is reaching into the white-collar world, threatening professions once considered immune to automation. From lawyers and accountants to doctors and journalists, no job is entirely safe from the reach of AI and robots. This widespread disruption is forcing us to confront a fundamental question. What does it mean to be human in the age of intelligent machines? The impact of automation is already being felt across various sectors of the economy, and certain industries are on the front lines of this technological revolution. Manufacturing, once a bastion of blue-collar employment, has been at the forefront of automation for decades. Robots now perform a wide range of tasks in factories, from welding and painting to assembly and packaging. These robots are not only faster and more efficient than their human counterparts, but they can also work tirelessly around the clock without breaks or complaints. The retail sector is another industry undergoing a rapid transformation due to automation. Self-checkout kiosks are now commonplace in many stores, and online retailers like Amazon are increasingly relying on robots to fulfill orders in their warehouses. These robots can locate and retrieve items with remarkable speed and accuracy, reducing the need for human warehouse workers. Customer service is also being reshaped by automation. Chatbots, powered by AI, are now handling a growing number of customer inquiries, providing instant responses and resolving issues without human intervention. These chatbots are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of understanding natural language and even mimicking human emotions. While automation promises increased efficiency and productivity, it also comes at a cost. As robots and AI systems become more sophisticated, they are displacing workers from their jobs, leading to unemployment and economic hardship. This displacement is not limited to low-skill, low-wage jobs. Even highly skilled professionals are finding their jobs at risk. The economic consequences of widespread job displacement could be severe. As unemployment rises, consumer spending will likely decline, leading to a slowdown in economic growth. Governments will face increasing pressure to provide social safety nets for displaced workers, potentially straining public finances. The social implications of automation are equally concerning. Job displacement can lead to feelings of anxiety, depression, and hopelessness, particularly for those who have spent years or even decades in a particular profession. The loss of a job can also have a ripple effect on families and communities, leading to increased poverty, crime, and social unrest. Addressing the challenges posed by automation will require a multifaceted approach. Governments, businesses, and educational institutions must work together to prepare the workforce for the jobs of the future and to mitigate the negative consequences of job displacement. In the face of relentless automation, it is essential for workers to adapt and acquire new skills to remain relevant in the job market. The skills that will be in high demand in the future are those that are uniquely human and difficult for machines to replicate. Creativity and innovation will be highly valued in the age of automation. As machines take over routine tasks, humans will be needed to come up with new ideas, develop new products and services, and find creative solutions to complex problems. Critical thinking and problem-solving skills will also be crucial. The ability to analyze information, identify patterns, and make sound judgments will be essential in a world awash in data. Emotional intelligence, or the ability to understand and manage emotions, will be another valuable asset. As workplaces become increasingly automated, the ability to communicate effectively, build relationships, and work collaboratively with others will be more important than ever. Section 5. The rise of the robots industries poised for exponential growth. While automation is displacing jobs in some sectors, it is also creating new opportunities in others. Industries that are heavily reliant on technology, data, and innovation are poised for significant growth in the coming years. The field of artificial intelligence is experiencing explosive growth, with applications in virtually every industry imaginable. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world. As AI continues to advance, the demand for skilled professionals in this field will only continue to grow. Data science is another rapidly growing field. With the exponential growth of data, businesses are increasingly relying on data scientists to extract insights, make predictions, and guide decision-making. Cybersecurity is another industry experiencing a surge in demand. As businesses become more reliant on technology, the need to protect their data and systems from cyber attacks becomes paramount. Section 6. A glimmer of hope. New opportunities in the age of automation. The rise of automation is not just about job displacement, it is also creating new opportunities for entrepreneurship and innovation. As technology lowers the barriers to entry in many industries, individuals with innovative ideas and a willingness to embrace new technologies are well positioned to succeed. The gig economy, characterized by short-term contracts and freelance work, is expanding rapidly, providing workers with greater flexibility and control over their work lives. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, and TaskRabbit connect workers with customers seeking on-demand services. The maker movement, which emphasizes DIY, do-it-yourself projects and small-scale manufacturing, is empowering individuals to create their own products and businesses using 3D printers, laser cutters, and other readily available technologies. This movement is democratizing access to manufacturing and fostering a new wave of innovation. Section 7. The future of work. Embracing change and shaping our destiny. The future of work in the age of automation is uncertain, but one thing is clear: change is inevitable. Rather than fearing these changes, we must embrace them and adapt to the new realities of the workplace. This requires a fundamental shift in our mindset, from one of job security to one of lifelong learning and adaptability. Governments, businesses, and educational institutions must work together to create a more resilient and adaptable workforce. This includes investing in education and training programs that equip workers with the skills they need to succeed in the digital economy. It also involves providing support for entrepreneurship and innovation, creating a regulatory environment that fosters technological advancement, and exploring new models of social safety nets to protect workers from the negative consequences of job displacement. The future of work is not predetermined, it is a future that we can shape through our choices and actions. Section 8. Stay informed. The robot revolution is just beginning. The robot revolution is still in its early stages, but it is clear that automation will continue to transform the workplace for years to come. Staying informed about these changes and adapting to the new realities of the job market will be essential for workers at all skill levels. Subscribe to our newsletter to receive regular updates on the latest trends in automation, artificial intelligence, and the future of work. We will explore the challenges and opportunities presented by these technologies and provide you with the insights you need to navigate this rapidly evolving landscape. The future of work is in our hands, and together we can create a future where technology empowers rather than displaces us.